The energy at Cruise Planners is, I mean, I don't even know how to explain it. It is off the wall. It's amazing.
The headquarters is amazing. The open space, the creativity, the panoramic view, the graphics, the writings everywhere.
When you're by yourself in in your own home office, you don't have the team of people around you, but you know that you can pick up that phone and they are right there to answer a question, to support you, to look into something for you, and that team is extended. Sometimes with a phone call, sometimes with an email, but it's great. I never feel disconnected. I feel very much a part of this family.